Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to Universal again. This is day 2. Last night slept pretty well in the room. So today we are off again for a second adventure. As you saw, we had lots of fun. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch part 1 right now. You'll understand a lot of things, where I am, all that. So without further ado, let's hop on the boat. Let's get over to, I think we're going to Islands first. No, we're going to Universal to ride Rip Ride Rockit. We didn't get to ride that yesterday. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Here's the line for Islands of Adventure. It goes all the way back down to City Wall. If you're wanting to know the way over on this side, comes back to NBC Brew. Goes all the way up. All these. It's not as bad as the Islands of Adventure, but that's only because of Hagrid's. And outside of Voodoo Donuts, during the day, you can come to this kiosk right here, this little concession stand, and you can receive your discount and mobile order. Pick it up here.
Isn't it kind of ironic that
I didn't even show that we're eating donuts,
so
but we're eating donuts.
Friday at Universal?
So that's what's happening. And just like that, we're back here at the Arches with Minion Parade Float right outside.
All these hours, we're open till 5.
It is somewhat busy out here.
Perfect, you'll need your tickets,
So you do have to have a reservation, but if you're staying at a resort, you can just walk right through. It is 9:17, so it is kind of busy at this time. But we are going to be using express passes today, just for the convenience of it being pretty crowded. But I think we're going to Rip Ride Rockit immediately. We just got off of Rip Ride Rockit. It kind of hurt. More bumpy than it usually is, I swear. But it's still good. What they need to do is update the songs, because those are getting annoying. If you do the little Rip Ride Rockit hack thing where you can pick your own song from like a list online, then do that, change it up a bit. But they need to add newer songs. I'll give you a few updates along the way that I didn't give yesterday. So off to, I think, the Mummy now. We're getting on the rides pretty quickly. We've got the express pass, so we gotta hit up the best ride there is here. Just kidding. Mummy's the best ride.
Behind you. Mission to go. Come on, let's get out of this city. Evac reported.
do?
Northern side of Orlando or Miami. Yeah. Y'all may think we're terrible people, but hey, we gotta ride Woody Woodpecker. This was my childhood roller coaster. It's literally the best ride. Right as we're about to go on a good ride, it starts pouring out. This is not fun at all. Looking for the other U-Rest area. It's right over there, right around Central Park. There are 4 different spots you can walk in. They're not labeled, but you're able to walk in at any location near the Hollywood Boulevard. Over here by Springfield, there's also one in the Central Park, little dark tree area, and there was one other little entrance as well. So any of those 4 locations you can walk in, take your mask off, enjoy your day. Talking about kids, they were holding hands.
I'm your social distancing counselor. I'm here to teach you how to be 6 feet apart. As soon as you get the signal, our attendant will show you where to sit. And enjoy the show. You guys ready for a show? The animals are so excited to see you all. Glad you guys are here.
Good day. On those feet. Here, put on your mark. Get back on that mark. Come here. Go to your mark. Get on that mark. On your mark. Come here, I'll show you. There you go. Steady. How about a seat? Very good. Good boy. Back it up. Back it up. Come here. Come here. Get some of that energy out. And come here. Come here. Very good. Stay. Stay. Hey. Stay. What she's going to do is she's going to crawl her way over here like an injured dog. And at the last second, she's going to leap over the camera. That way we can get a nice close-up. We're going to show you just what that looks like. Be quiet on the set. And action. Stay. All right, Esther, are you ready? Leap. Elsa. It's not in the script. What are you doing? I'm really sorry. Like I said, we haven't been at... Is that a vulture? Don't vultures eat dead things? Dead things.
Jesus.
That's an excellent flight from Safari and a great catch by Jen.
This is what the park looks like. I mean, it's raining a lot, as you can tell. I'm trying to cover it. But they've got the lagoon show going. Let me clean off my clothes. Alright, so there we go. You can see the show still going out there, since it's a water show. I'm going on Escape from Gringotts. And then we'll probably be done for today, and then we'll leave because it's just been raining here a lot and there's not much you can do. Rip Ride Rocket's closed due to weather. The other side, like the other park, is also closed due to weather. And it's just like a muggy day, so we'll see what we're gonna do after this. So we're just heading over to the Mummy. That'll be our last one. I'm gonna cover my camera now, but that's gonna be the last one that we do today, and then we're gonna head back home or get something to eat outside the park because it's just raining so much and nothing else is open. Like this is it, boys. This is what you get when you come to Florida. So we just got done with the Mummy, and as you see, it's still raining. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of the video. We have lots more planned for Universal videos. We also have lots more planned for theme park videos. I will be doing theme park vlogs, especially until I get something better to do. But for now, I didn't want to do any more fish videos, so here's some theme park vlogs. I'm gonna do my best to record what is happening around the parks, as well as merch. And I'm not trying to copy like Tim Tracker or something like that. Like honestly, this could be for me. Like if I forget a price, then I can look back at a video. Anyways, it can also inform you if you wanted to know that. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see in these videos. Is there like POV things you want to see? So I can use my GoPro. That way I know what to bring to the parks to let y'all enjoy the video. Also, the virtual queue will sometimes not work. You have to be in the vicinity of either of the parks in order to get the rides you want. So a lot of people have been struggling with Hagrid's, and that is a big ride here that one, you have to be there at 9 to get it. So if you get here later, like 11 o'clock, they close at 5, so don't come too late. But at around 11, that's where they stop all the things. With other things like Jimmy Fallon, that's always like a 5-minute wait. You can stand by, or you can use the virtual line. Either is up. But be connected to the Universal Wi-Fi in the vicinity of either of the parks, inside one of the parks, and you will be able to get something available. Not all times will be available, so just keep clicking, push your party number up, and hopefully it will work. That's all we can say. But most of the rides are open. Due to the weather, some rides were closed today, and some were delayed, but we were able to get on most of the rides that we wanted to. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was 2 parts, but without further ado, thank you for watching. Peace out.